I just wanted to share with everybody this bed liner I put on my gas tank. Now I know what you're saying. Oh, you put bed liner on it. You think you're an off-roader. That's for truck beds, whatever. Easy. It's for anything you want to have really tough coating for. This is HERCULINER bed liner, and I'll tell you the details right now. So the reason I've got bed liner on the tank, which is what everybody's probably wondering, is this tank bag will collect dirt and stuff underneath it, and it rubbed through the clear coat, through the paint, and was into the bare metal of this tank in 2 years. That's not their fault. They included some clear plastic film, but it wasn't enough. And you know, like right here too is a really bad spot where it was wearing through. And I ride this thing on gravel and dirt more than I ride it on pavement. So bed liner, I got a quart of HERCULINER, and I probably could have done the whole bike in that much HERCULINER. I think it covers 15 square feet, more than enough. I did 2 really light coats, one about 5 minutes after the other, and then an hour later, or it was about an hour and a half later, I came out and I did a thick coat over top of everything. Turned out great. You just got to make sure to put masking tape where you want it to stop. You know, it does reduce your clearances, so this plastic is right up against this now. Because it is rubber in paint, it builds, so be careful of that. But when this is cold, it's not super grippy. If it's above 60 degrees or so, it's nice and grippy. I did have some Tech Spec tank grip pads on here. I don't need those now because this works the same way. So when I'm standing, I can use this to put my knees against it. It keeps me in place. When I'm sitting down and I hit the brakes, my knees on here, I can kind of hold myself in place a little better. Really nice. I like it. It's tough. It's going to take a beating. It's not going to let a little bit of sand and dust rub through the paint to the bare metal. That's why I've got it on there. Cheap and easy. Away you go. And the temperature range you can apply this is great. It is cold right now. And I put this on here while I had my kerosene heater running, which might not want to do because of fumes, but you know, 40 degrees, 40, 45 degrees, and it cured fine. It's on there. It's not going anywhere. It's great. So highly suggest that if you're looking for a tough coating for your gas tank and you don't care how it looks. Obviously, I'm not one to judge on looks, you know. Glass houses